Hey, it's Michael. Today, just a quick little video of this little adapter kit that I bought. This is a bunch of different adapters that are going to be very handy for you if you've got cameras, camcorders, microphones, lights, things that you need to put on stands, tripod stands. Maybe some of the attachments are 1/4 inch, maybe some are 3/8 inch. Maybe you need an adapter to get something to hook up to something else that doesn't have the same thread size. Well, that's what I recently ran into when I got this Rode VideoMic NTG. An awesome shotgun mic. I'm going to do another review of this soon, but it has a cold shoe mount on it, which is great, and that lets me use this on several of my cameras that I use for making videos. But it also has a 3/8 inch thread on there, which is great. It's just hook it up to your tripod, right? Well, not quite that easy, because my tripod has a 1/4 inch male screw on it. So this mounting plate, which works for this little tripod, I love to use this little handheld tripod for when I'm at my desk or somewhere where I just want to attach my video mic to it. However, like I said, the mounting plate is 1/4 inch. So what I needed to buy was an adapter, a 3/8 to 1/4 inch adapter. Now, just to buy one of these on Amazon would have been, I don't know, it was crazy expensive, like $4 or $5. And so I just decided to spend a little bit more and get this kit, which has many different adapters in it. Comes in a nice little case like this. They even give you a couple extra dividers, so once you get rid of some of these by using them on equipment, then you can put the dividers in just so things don't slide around as much. But here's what the kit includes. It came with 5 of these 3/8 inch to 1/4 inch males, 5 of these 1/4 inch to 1/4 inch males, posts, which are 3/8 inch on one side and 1/4 inch on the other. And then it came with these, let's see, I think we have 3 of these, 3 1/4 inch males to 3/8 inch females. And then you've got a 1/4 inch female to 3/8 inch male. So you've got all these configurations, and it's going to let you connect one thing to another pretty much whichever way you need to go. So for me, I needed a 1/4 inch female to 3/8 inch male, and that's exactly what I found in this case. So I attached it here. You do need a highly sophisticated tool to get this in there. I use a penny. Just tighten it up. Now I can use the mounting plate, which is 1/4 inch thread. Just attach that like that, and once again we use this highly sophisticated tool. Get that plate centered on there, and voila, now I can attach this to my little tripod, and I am in business. So this thing is great. I think it was under $20. I think it was maybe closer to $14, $15. I'm not sure the exact price, but it's going to come in very handy in the future, and it solved my immediate need. So that's it. That's my review. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll catch you the next time. Take care.